बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले हस्बे मामूल आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उस चैनल में हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर MCQs क्विज़ की वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, Why did Jahangir Khan go against the doctor's advice of refraining from taking part in any physical activity? इसका आंसर है, Jahangir Khan went against the doctor's advice of refraining from taking part in any physical activity because he was very enthusiastic and passionate to surpass other people in the field of squash. Through his courage and strong determination, he became the best player of squash in the world. Question number 2 है, read paragraph number 6 of the text and say what did Jahangir Khan do to maintain his physical fitness. इसका आंसर है, after reading paragraph number 6 of the text, we come to know that in order to maintain his physical fitness, Jahangir Khan used to take regular exercise. He would start his day with doing a 14-kilometer jogging, followed by quick running. Then he would take body exercise and finally cooling down in the pools. He used to follow this routine 5 days a week. Question number 3 है, give a brief detail of Jahangir Khan's achievements in the light of the text Jahangir Khan the Conqueror. इसका आंसर है, the list of his achievements and the rewards he grabs is too long to be enclosed in a few lines. At the age of 15, he became the youngest winner of World Amateur Individual Championship. At the age of 17, he defeated Geoff Hunt and became the youngest champion of the World Open in 1989. He won 555 matches consecutively from 1981 to 1986 and got his name written in Guinness Book of World Records. Question number 4 है, keeping in view the achievements of Jahangir Khan, compare any other national hero in sports with him. इसका आंसर है, Jahangir Khan, another national hero in sports, can be compared with him because the list of his achievements is also very long. Jahangir Khan also won the World Open title in 1987. Jahangir Khan was the only competitor who put a real challenge to Jahangir Khan's domination. Both of them met in the final of 1988 World Open, in which Jahangir Khan was defeated. Question number 5 है, an idiom is the expression whose meaning cannot be inferred from the meanings of the words that make it up. Find out 3 idiomatic expressions from the text and explain their meanings. इसका आंसर है, the 3 idiomatic expressions that we find in the text are toe-to-toe, win one's spurs. Number 3 है, fish out of water. इसके मायने है, meanings of idiomatic expressions. Number 1, toe-to-toe, means competition between two persons. Number two, win one's purse. It means to earn name in a particular area or field. Number three, fish out of water means a person's away from his or her usual environment or activities. Question number 6 है, what inspiration do you get from the life of Jahangir Khan? इसका आंसर है, the life of Jahangir Khan inspires us very much. His life gives us the inspiration that we should not give attention to the discouraging comments of other people and should work hard. We also get the message that if someone is committed, passionate and dedicated to do a task, then nothing can stop him or her from becoming a great person.